Dramatic change is everywhere, happening at exponential speed. It's all about innovative, problem-solving processes and technologies, bringing change at a velocity once unthinkable. The future of product design, engineering, production, operations, security, and servicing is being transformed by data and analytics. Bringing together artificial intelligence with human reasoning, connecting worlds, altering outcomes. It takes people like you to revolutionize the way things are made here in Northeast Wisconsin and across the globe. NWTC, the leader in Industry 4.0 applications, can help you change the way your organization responds to the continuous change. Be part of the transformation. Industry 4.0. Tomorrow, today.